What if I told you that while everyone is chasing AI stocks, EV stocks, and the biggest tech giants, there could be a smaller cybersecurity company quietly positioning itself for explosive growth? Every day, businesses lose millions of dollars to cyber attacks. Hackers are getting smarter, ransomware attacks are increasing, and companies are spending more money than ever to protect their systems. But here's the interesting part. Wall Street is focused on the biggest cybersecurity names. Meanwhile, some lesser-known companies are growing rapidly under the radar. Could this be one of the hidden opportunities of 2026? Let's break it down. The cybersecurity boom. Before we talk about the company, we need to understand the industry. Think about it. Almost everything is online now. Banks, hospitals, governments, retail stores, even your car and your home devices. Every one of these systems is a potential target for hackers. And when a cyber attack happens, the cost can be enormous. A single security breach can cost millions of dollars and damage a company's reputation overnight. That's why cybersecurity is no longer optional, it's essential. And that's creating one of the fastest growing industries in the world. Why demand is exploding? Companies are facing three major challenges. First, AI-powered cyber attacks. Hackers are now using artificial intelligence to launch smarter and faster attacks. Second, cloud computing. As businesses move data to the cloud, security becomes even more important. Third, stricter regulations. Governments around the world are demanding stronger cybersecurity standards. All of this means one thing: companies are spending more money than ever on cybersecurity solutions, and businesses providing those solutions could benefit significantly. The hidden opportunity. Now let's talk about the company. Unlike the giant cybersecurity firms that already dominate headlines, this company is still relatively unknown to many investors. That can be both a risk and an opportunity. The risk is obvious. Smaller companies can be more volatile, but the opportunity: smaller companies can sometimes grow much faster than established giants. If management executes well and demand continues growing, revenue growth can accelerate quickly. And that's exactly what investors are watching. What makes this company interesting? Several things stand out. First, the company operates in a market with strong long-term demand. Second, cybersecurity spending tends to remain resilient even during economic slowdowns. Think about it. A company might cut advertising, they might delay expansion plans, but protecting customer data, that's something most businesses can't afford to ignore. Third, the company appears positioned in a sector benefiting from long-term digital transformation trends. These trends aren't disappearing next year. They're likely to continue for many years. The biggest risks. Now let's talk about the risks, because every investment has them. Competition is intense. The cybersecurity industry includes some of the biggest technology companies in the world. New technologies can change quickly. A company that leads today could fall behind tomorrow. Valuation is another concern. Sometimes investors become overly optimistic and push prices higher than fundamentals justify. That's why it's important to do your own research. Never invest based only on hype. What could drive the stock higher? Several catalysts could help. New enterprise contracts, stronger than expected earnings, expansion into new markets, AI-powered security products, strategic partnerships. If the company continues executing and revenue growth accelerates, investors could begin paying much closer attention. And when Wall Street discovers a growing company before the general public does, that's often when the biggest moves happen. The big picture. The real story here isn't just one company, it's the massive cybersecurity trend. The world is becoming more digital every year. More devices, more cloud computing, more AI, more data, and, unfortunately, more cyber threats. That means cybersecurity is likely to remain one of the most important industries of the next decade. The question investors must ask is simple: which companies are best positioned to benefit? Conclusion. So, could this cybersecurity stock explode in 2026? Maybe, nobody knows for certain, but the industry tailwinds are real, the demand is real, and if this company executes successfully, it could become a stock many investors wish they had discovered earlier. The smartest investors don't just look at where the crowd is today, they look at where the crowd might be heading tomorrow. And that's why cybersecurity remains one of the most fascinating sectors to watch right now. If you enjoyed this analysis, make sure to like the video, subscribe, and let me know in the comments, which cybersecurity stock do you think has the biggest upside potential in 2026? Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.